Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install the Whatnot application. So how to download and install the Whatnot application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your Android device. This is the initial Play Store screen. Next, enter the search menu. Then, tap Whatnot and search. The Whatnot app will appear. Tap the app. The next step is to tap Install. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. So that's it, this tutorial on how to download and install the Whatnot application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.